Hello everyone. If you care about your personal data and if you make use of ChatGPT to assist you in what you do, probably at work or for personal use, then this video is for you. I want to quickly show you something important and how you can stay safe online. Are you aware that ChatGPT and some other generative AI makes use of your information and your prompt to train their models? I will show you something. So ChatGPT does that, and I want to show you how you can opt out of that. So stay with me. All right, you come to profile, and under profile you see settings, and under setting you see some other options. You see general down to data control. So under data control, you'll see improve the model for everyone. So I'll switch it off because I do a lot on ChatGPT, right? And I switch it off already. So, but for you, it will still be on, and then you can click on it and switch it off. So, on your own hand, you should have something like this, then you can switch it off. So, if you check what we have here, it says allow your content to be used to train hard models, which makes ChatGPT better for you and everyone who uses it. We take steps to protect your privacy, and I'm sure that most people around this part of the world doesn't check privacy policies. So I've made it simple for you. You have control over your data when you switch it off or when you switch it on here. So I've switched it off, then I can click done, and that's all. That's you taking control over your data. So any moment from now, ChatGPT will not be able to use your prompt, use your information you input into your prompt to feed its machine and to train its machine to be better. So I hope this is helpful. If you find it helpful, you can share it with someone else that may need it. Thank you.